In primetime news this evening, chaos at public health facilities across the island as junior doctors stage sick out, not letting up. JMD vows to stand its ground in dispute with the health ministry. And health ministry moves to put contingency measures in place to cushion impact of sick out.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air across Jamaica and on the internet from anywhere in the world once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the industrial action taken by junior doctors? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. or tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.